Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix wireless adapter missing in Windows 11. First method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Select computer name, click View, click Show Hidden Devices. Click Action, click Scan for hardware changes. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters, click Run under Internet Connection. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type netsh space, int space, ip space, reset. Type netsh space, winsock space, reset. Exit and restart system. Fourth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type netcfg space, -d. Exit and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.